did you find? Oh, you found it. Wow, what is that? Wow, are those new shoes? They sparkle. Wow, what else is in there? What is it? Oh, it's pants. Wow, they're so cute. Wow, do you like the shoes? Do you love it? She couldn't wait and she opened the box. Say thank you, and Candace. Isa, can you say thank you? Good job. Here, let's make them sparkle. You want to put it on? Make sure your toe is in. Here, let me help you. Hold on. Here. Come on. Let's put your foot in. The other one. This one. No, this one. Put it in. Hold on, let me fix it. Hold on. Okay, stop. Wow. Oh, look. Oh, the other one? Yeah, let's put the other one on. Should put socks on, but you can't wait, huh? Can't wait to put it on. Wow. Wow, they're so cool. Okay, let's save the other box for later. For the 27th. Wow, look at this little tutu. How cute. A fish out? Okay, put it away. All right, go running. Run. Dance. Yeah, is it a pig? Is it a cute pig, huh?
Cheese!
Cheese, Piggy, say cheese.
Piggy, go, go.